If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Solana video update. And yeah, a little bit of disappointment for me personally. My stop loss was taken and then I saw it go up. But it's not for the first time I've witnessed this kind of scenarios. I've been here being pressed with stop loss hunts and stuff like that, but right now it was pretty clear right over here that, oh my goodness, imagine my stop was just right over here at 9.73. that one came down to 9.69. very small difference. Anyways, you made the move up. I think the technical target is actually met. I don't know anything from here now on. You can still actually make some pumps like this, and then from here get rejected, because this is what I've been saying even in my private channel, that I wanted to see this thing go to $12. It actually did go up to $12, and we are now that we're at $12. I want to bring in the EMAs, and you can see that that's where it pumped, and that's where the resistance also is, because you have this touch support broke to the downside. You came up and you're back testing it, and as a matter of fact, on the daily, this is a flag. Actually, this is a bear flag that it came down like this, you move sideways, you broke to the downside, you back tested this bear flag, and it's actually meant to bring you down to $5 or $4 department. So I was expecting a $12. I did mention a $12, but it still doesn't mean we're not moving down. Another thing to even keep in mind is that the weekly says it all, because the weekly have a 3 black crows, and actually this is following the plan to even move way more lower to the downside. Why? When you make 3 black crows, number one, you tend to make that green candle as well. So if I do come back to Google and I show you 3 black crows, okay, and from here I'm gonna actually type in the images right there, and you can see here, this is the chart that I want to show you. Okay, I'm just gonna bring in that thing right there. So when you make those 3 red candles, can you notice the green arrow? You make the green arrow first and then you continue lower, which means that this week can actually be convincing that, hey, Solana bottomed out. Okay, it was convincing right over here as well with bullish engulfing, but it didn't bottom out. So you have 1, 2, 3 red candles, very clear 3 black crows, that little bit of a green arrow. Next week you might see this as well. So be very careful. Right now I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.